Today, your job is to build the RSI strategy in QuantConnect. In Initialize, set your date range and starting cache. Add SPY, then create an RSI indicator with a 14-day period. In OnData, check that the RSI indicator is ready before doing anything else. Once it is ready, apply the rule. If RSI drops below 30 and you are not already holding a position, buy SPY. If RSI rises above 70 and you do hold a position, sell it. Pay attention to the position check on both sides. The buy condition should only fire when you are flat. The sell condition should only fire when you are invested. Without those checks, the strategy can try to buy when already bought or sell when there is nothing to sell. Run the backtest. Notice how the strategy behaves differently from the crossover. It trades less frequently. It is reacting to extremes, not momentum. That is the task: one indicator, two thresholds, a position check on each side.